Hello. Welcome back to another episode of Shivam and Friends React. Today we are at the airport at T1. We're flying to Goa and we found a friend.
I just want to say that I'm not a friend and we've been talking for 31 minutes precisely and I'm being forced into doing this.
And she was so kind enough to film a reaction video for me.
So I'm just kind like that.
Talk in the fucking mic.
It's charity.
So we'll be reacting on ये सब काट दूंगा मैं चैरिटी वैरिटी वाला पार्ट
Obviously.
Of course.
Yeah. I just wanna trouble you like that.
Yeah. So what are we reacting on today?
We're reacting to Ricky Rich and King and I think the song's called Habibi.
Have you listened to King before?
I have.
Do you like him?
Not really.
What were you saying before the video about?
Can I say it?
Yeah, of
Is it
course.
politically correct?
I don't know.
Everything has to be politically correct.
I'll share her an Instagram down below. You can probably go and message
Private
her.
account actually, so I'm probably not gonna accept.
Cool. It's okay. So I think I have that recorded as well. So I'll even post that. What were you saying? In that black and white में मैं बोल दूँगा.
Cool.
ठीक है. Let's start reacting. तूने इस गाना सुना है? 3 दिन पहले this गाना has been released.
Oh, it's new.
It's very new. That's what we do. Do you know the concept of Shivam Friends React?
You react to new stuff.
Yeah, sort of. With my friends.
What is it, like contemporary and all?
With my friends.
I'm not a friend.
We're best shoes. That's what we decided on becoming.
Not really, no.
Okay, bye.
Too millennial to even use that word.
Actually, you know, I'm Gen Z.
You are?
Barely. So Gen Zs are like
Doesn't count.
yeah. So Gen Zs are like 96 and stuff, right?
No, like after 2000 only.
Fuck you, no.
Yeah.
Look at Google.
That's
I'll tell you, this is clear Gen Z who doesn't know shit what she's talking about, but still has to. Oh God.
See,
You have to pick
I
up.
knew this would happen.
We have to pick up. Thanks. Cool. Let's start.
Cool.
Click on play. I'll click on play. Can you listen?
I can.
Perfect. AirPods, guys.
Electronic music. People just don't play instruments anymore.
Yeah, isn't that good?
No, that's not.
What?
I mean, I think instruments are losing their sanctity. I think it's so important that. What was that?
You can stop the song whenever you want to talk.
Cool.
Click on the spacebar. That's for play, Gen Z.
I'm sorry, I have a Mac too. I knew how to use it.
Oh God. But why has your mom called like 6 times in 30 minutes?
Because I am 19 and I'm traveling alone. She's scared.
You're in the airport.
Yeah, but she's scared I'll lose my IDs or miss my flight
Where's
or something
my
like
ID?
that. I don't know.
Is this my boarding pass?
Yeah, it's a boarding pass.
I think your mom should call me. More than your mom should call you.
I'll tell her that.
Cool. Keep the play button.
Yeah.
So this is Spanish apparently. Do you know
I've
what
seen
it
this
is?
in reels, bro.
You have?
Yeah. I think so. Yeah. Listening to this feels like a crime. It's
Oh
like,
God, your mom. I think she wants to come in the video.
she would love that, you know.
Yeah, na?
She's that person, yeah.
I love King.
You do? But the lyrics don't make any sense.
What do you mean lyrics don't make sense? Have you listened? जिथे खड़ा तेरा
not
यार
good
उठे
lyrics.
वज दे सलूट. What it means is जहाँ पे मैं खड़ा होता हूँ वहाँ पे लोग सल्यूट करने लग जाते हैं मुझे.
That's so generic, no?
What is this generic? That's what you say about my comedy.
It is actually. I only speak facts.
Cool, click and play.
Yeah.
Thanks for doing it.
What?
Thanks for doing it.
I didn't have an option. I said a million times I didn't want to do this. Now, what language do you think this song is?
This Spanish, clearly.
But it's like a mix of everything.
No, Spanish and Hindi. So Hindi is...
Spanish and Hindi.
Yeah.
Well, so it makes nice.
No, I'll tell you why it's Spanish. Because Spanish गाने that काफी चल रहे हैं ना. What's the song? The billion views songs. What is it?
What? Which one?
Spanish songs, yeah.
Which one?
All the billion view songs.
many?
Yeah, all of them. See, so many. So probably that's why he like took that route. What do you have to say?
Doesn't make sense to me. I think this is I think they do it for views. I think art should be made for, like, you know. Okay, this is getting too philosophical. Let's not. No, I'm that person. I might be Gen Z, but I listen to classics. I'm all Beatles and John Lennon. That's what I do.
I think this is just.
If you make me listen to King, this is how I'll react, right?
I think you listen to all of this because I think you think it's cool. Honestly.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
No. You listen to Beatles because I think you think Beatles is cool.
That's what. Yeah.
No. Because you think society thinks it's cool.
Not really. No. I genuinely.
I actually feel it.
What?
I feel that you think the society. Which songs have you listened?
I have listened to Hey Jude. Hey Jude's my favorite.
Of course, because it's the most famous one.
Yeah, see, I've listened to mainstream ones only. I
That's what I'm
haven't
saying.
listened to cult
Yeah.
Beatles songs.
Yeah. That's
So I might not be a true fan, but that's what I listen to. You can check my
YouTube history.
not YouTube history. I don't even use YouTube. My Spotify
Music.
or Apple Music history. Yeah.
Whatever. Let's play the song, dude. This is
Yeah.
going somewhere else. So, मुझे इसका गंदा चीज़ लगा कि इसने सिर्फ 2-3 मतलब गंदा स्लैश इंटेलिजेंट वर्ड्स कि इसने सिर्फ 2-3 वर्ड स्पेनिश के रखे मामा मिया हबीबी.
Let me tell you something. He made the entire song. Do you want me to read that?
हाँ?
Okay. So I think he made this entire song to please the public. He didn't do it for himself. He wanted to be featured in reels. He wanted to be like top of the charts or something. He didn't make. I'm sure even he doesn't like it.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. So do you think it's wrong?
It is.
Have you? Okay, probably. I think you're saying it because you only listen to like old indies and stuff like, which are probably not famous. Maybe
Yeah.
that's why you think it's.
Probably.
Fair. Space bar.
निभाने में क्या मगर जा रहा इंटरनेशनल में कभी होगा दुबई
So much auto tune, man.
How do you know? Do you play something?
What?
Do you play something?
I sing.
दिन की हो 10 खबर उनमें नौक मेरी पाएगी
I'm trained actually.
क्या ही
That's why.
Whatever. Now she'll tell you guys that she's probably from top NLU and stuff. Are you?
I am.
Sure.
I'm a bad guy you should let it go
Hon farlig, helt olaglig, men riktigt galig. Habibi,
Oh, this is funny, okay?
som min nya mamacita. Habibi, hon farlig, helt olaglig, men riktigt
trending.
galig.
Shit is trending.
Yeah, of course.
What's wrong with people these days? It's over. Thank God it's over. No more crime.
Wow, you don't. इतना भी नहीं करना भाई. King के fans क्या कहेंगे? And anyway, how did you like the song?
I don't.
Why?
I told you.
Okay, cool. Do you want to tell the people to like, share, and subscribe if they like the video?
Yeah, do it. I mean,
Like
share, comment, subscribe.
to
Do
Shivam and Friends React.
Shivam and friend. I'm not a friend, but yeah, that's what his channel's called. So.